Let's understand the different stages of ongoing home renovation. The old fixtures and tiles are demolished. The tiles are completely removed for floor renovation. The old paint is buffed out for renovation. Bathroom is renovated. Structural changes are made. Tiles are laid with proper precision. These are a few of the many stages of renovation. Each renovation project needs different methods of renovation. Interior design completes the renovation process. At Inkstone Infra we provide services including full home renovation, bathroom renovation, and interior design. For more videos please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you for watching.